Well, good morning everybody, welcome back to another video. It is opening weekend of Turkey Hunt in Minnesota. Me, Brett, and a special guest are going out. This is our first time hunting with this special guest in probably a year or two, so it's gonna be fun to go out with him. I'll introduce you to him later. But yeah, it's cold, it's flurrying. It's like 28 degrees right now and like 15-mile-an-hour winds. But Brett and Ian roosted the turkeys last night on public land. And yeah, so we're gonna go sit up a little further away from them than we did last weekend and hopefully get lucky. But my hands are cold, so I'm gonna get in the truck. Gotta go meet Brett. It's about 4:15 a.m., so stay tuned.
Yesterday Ian and I came up here and roosted them. Yeah, there's for sure 4 of them, at least 1 tom. So we're gonna sneak up and hopefully get close to the roost, close enough where they can see us. And then we got a first-time hunter here, Darby. Try to get
Legend says he actually doesn't hunt, he just talks about it.
Yeah. We're gonna,
yeah.
We're gonna try to get him his first bird and his first gobble. We'll see what happens. Tree down there. And then there's like 3 other trees, bigger ones. Right up there. They're on the last one. That last one there. Okay. Yeah.
Well, we're back out again in the morning. We're currently on day, I don't even know anymore, but it's been a grind. We found this public land spot last night and Callum's been seeing some birds on it, so he roosted them last night. 3 toms in it, and there's quite a few hens out here. But it's like a tall CRP, big section of CRP here. So yeah, we're gonna hopefully, Kellen brought his bow too, so maybe double up, but the goal is to at least get one of these bad boys to come in, so stay tuned.
Well, it's early morning right now. Got a couple gobbles behind us. Kellen's already figuring out a way he can make room on his wall for another fan or 2. So, the hens are chirping. Everything's kind of awake right now. And yeah, hopefully they can come in. We got this tall grass, like I was saying. So they might be hard to see. So if we do see them, they're gonna be like right on top of us. But yeah, stay tuned. He's still there. Take your time, take your time, you got time. He's coming in, he's coming in. The other one's coming too. Be patient. Damn it, keep going. Go back, go back, go back. Draw back, go on. Draw back. No, don't move. I kinda wanna get down on it. If you can, I don't know. They're looking at us. Can you chirp at them or no? Do you have a shot or no? Beat the shit out of them. Go beat the shit out of them. Oh, you're fine, you're fine.
That fine?
We'll take it.
I mean, I probably would have let him try and die,
Kellen's bow shot. Heck yeah. Well, so Kellen shot his at about, that's probably what, 15 yards there. I shot mine, and I shot mine at about 10 yards here. And they didn't run away, they kind of got scared off a little bit. Yeah, and then mine started flopping and drew them back in. And then they turned eyes on Kellen's Jake decoy and just started beating the crap out of it. And finally, they stopped moving and Kellen got a good shot on him. That's pretty cool to see. Yeah, so doubled up here. And yeah, I probably could have let Kellen shoot first, but I just really wanted to fill my tag since I'm done tomorrow. So, but now I'm done now, and yeah, that was pretty sweet. Two nice looking toms, and they were really close. So when the turkeys came out, Kellen saw a couple hens right over here. Kellen saw a couple hens right over here. There are a couple of jakes. They ended up walking out, getting to about, I don't know, 5 yards, and then finally the one jake came to about a couple yards there, and then the toms were about 8 yards right here away from the blind. So they were really close. They got in here close, and I kind of blew mine to pieces. Actually, I'm not gonna show up. But I put a good headshot on him, and yeah, that was fun. We're gonna go ahead and take a few pictures and clean these birds up. So yeah.